Welcome friends to my new video. This video is about fitness equipment. This is Sparnod treadmill. Model number is STH1200 and I will be unboxing that today. Okay friends, so once you open the box, you'll see that you'll get the main machine, two legs where we need to install in the fitting, and I believe it's not that difficult to install it, so let's just start. You will receive two legs, the right and the left one. The right leg will go over the right out here and the left one will go over there. Additionally, you will receive two screws, different type of screws. The smaller one will go with the leg, the bigger one will go with the upper machine out here. And this particular screw is for folding and unfolding of the machine. And there will be a screw already in this leg. You just have to remove it. Fix the right one to the right one. Use the Allen key to tighten it up. Now we are going to fix the left leg the same way we did for the right one. So you take the left and fix it at the left side only. And tighten the screw. Once you fix the legs, you have to lift the handlebar and place it like this. Then you have to fix the screw out here, the handlebar. So when you fix the screw, plug it in. So we have already assembled the machine. Plug it in. There is a button over here also which you need to switch on and the machine will start. So initially when you start the machine, you will face a E07 error, which means you have to first put the key to start the machine, without which the machine will not start. And all the other features like start and stop and speed are like your regular machine features, so nothing to worry about. You can operate it very easily and it's very friendly and you can easily use it at home. Increase the speed. There are different modes, programs that you can use. So the only thing is that there is no stop or start button in the handlebar. You have to directly use it from the panel. One of the good things about this machine is that you can fold it. So this screw, you have to plug it out here, and this will One of the good thing about this machine is that you can fold it. So this screw, you have to plug it out here, and this will so your machine is folded now. So this ends our video. Thank you friend for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video, and let me know if you want me to make any other video on a particular product. Thank you all.